Okay, whether you're taking your coffee from Starbucks or you're taking it from Starbucks, they give you your coffee in a paper cup and you think paper cups are environment friendly because they are paper, isn't it? But did you know that each paper cup has a thin layer of plastic inside it? And that's why coffee or tea does not make it wet. Otherwise, if you put coffee or tea on paper, it'll get wet, isn't it? Anyway, this tiny layer of plastic actually counts towards your exposure of microplastics. Every time you save your food in a plastic container or heat it in a microwave oven or drink water from a plastic bottle to remain hydrated, you are being exposed to microplastics. So today we will discuss what are microplastics, how are they damaging your body based on human research, and next we will discuss how to remain safe from microplastics. And in this video, I will share with you a discount code to buy cookware that will keep you safe from microplastics forever.
So, if you too are interested in staying away from microplastics and other toxins in our environment and getting discount codes on the way, do subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon right with it so that you are notified before everyone whenever we upload such wonderful videos.
So, let's start. What are microplastics? Microplastics are actually tiny bits of plastics which get into your body when you eat them. And you eat them with your food, or you eat them when you drink your water from a plastic water bottle, or you eat your food in a plastic container which has been heated up, for example. The ratio of microplastics in your food is especially high if your food is warm, like for example a hot tea or a coffee. Secondly, as promised, I'll share with you the researches that show how microplastics are infiltrating our body, our brain.
A study published in Nature Medicine found that micro and nanoplastics, MNPs, accumulate in human brains. Brain tissue had much higher microplastic concentrations than liver or kidney tissue.
Our heart, even our atherosclerotic plaques.
Another key study in the New England Journal of Medicine looked at atheromas/carotid artery plaques, the buildup inside arteries. They found microplastics in many plaques. Patients whose plaques contained plastic had significantly higher risk of myocardial infarction, heart attack, stroke, or death over follow-up than those without.
And they were even found in placenta of the babies, inside the mother's womb.
Also, studies have found microplastics in placentas of unborn babies. Research in Environment International and other journals found plastic particles in all portions of examined human placentas. This is concerning because the placenta is the interface between mother and fetus.
And thirdly, let's examine from where are we getting our microplastics and how can we reduce them.
You might argue in our home we never use plastic cups or plates or spoons, but when you're in office or you're out with friends, I am 100% sure you must have drunk your tea or coffee in a plastic or a paper cup, isn't it? Multiple studies show that PE-lined paper cups and plastic cups release microplastics into beverages during typical use, and hot liquids accelerate the release. At brewing temperature 95 degrees Celsius, a single plastic tea bag can release 11.6 billion microplastics, 3.1 billion nanoplastics into one cup. So heat plus plastic means more shedding of micro and nanoplastics.
So as per cookware, I would advise you to swap to earthenware because it is not only free of microplastics, it also imparts a very tasty aroma to your dishes.
And for these reasons, to stay away from microplastics, I opted to buy this earthenware pot handi from parkmitti.pk, and as you can see, they have packed it wonderfully so that it does not break, and you can see the pot is so aesthetically pleasing. And the thing that makes it stand out the most is the fact that it is non-polished, unglazed. Most pots in Pakistan are glazed or polished. But on their website, you will find a variety of pots and pans and spoons and glasses and lots of other things. My recommendation is to go visit them. And as you can see, with this unglazed handi, I got this glass lid and I got these two handles which I have to attach with the screwdrivers. They attach very easily. So to make your foods free from micro and nanoplastics, visit the website parkmitti.pk, and on any order if you enter the code Dr. Asma 10 without spaces, you are gonna get instant 10% discount. So I'm very sure you have already gotten your earthenware from parkmitti.pk at 10% discount. Now let me share with you the right way to start using your earthenware. So the first thing you have to do is soak your earthenware in water and thoroughly wash it with clean water. Secondly, never use high flame for your earthenware, always use a medium or low flame. Thirdly, the first thing you have to cook in your earthenware is either oil or some milk, so the milk seals the pores of the earthenware. And most importantly, never expose your earthenware to very high temperatures, it will cause it to crack.
So share this video with everyone you know who eats or drinks from plastic cups and containers, just because it's very easy and convenient. And plastic does not break.
So let me know what did you buy from parkmitti.pk with the given discount. Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.